How to connect Slack to n8n. So in order to connect your Slack to your n8n, you first need to head over to your workflow on n8n. By having here this trigger, and let's add an action that will correspond to this trigger. So to do that, click onto this plus icon, and then from in there, you can just proceed to click onto this action in app, or you can proceed to search for Slack right here. Let's try to click onto this action in app right there. Scroll down and then just look for Slack. Let's search for that node right here. Here it is, so proceed to click on this and then just choose the action that you want. So for example, on my case, let's choose get a file. Then just add it right here. I can just proceed to click on that. As you can see right here, it will choose the parameters or the credential that you want to connect with. Click on this. Click on this create new credential. Choose right here how you want to connect, like OAuth or access token. For me, I'll choose OAuth. Click on the disconnect account. And then after that, this will open this window that allows me to actually log in into my Slack account. Once this window has been opened, you can just proceed to actually connect them. From this part, scroll down, click on allow. Then after that, just wait for this to be connected. And here, as you can see, the connection has been successful. So close this one, choosing here the resource. I have in here resource for file. Choose the operation, which is get. I'll just choose get many. And then choose right here the limit. And after that, save this and get back to your canvas. As you can see, it's been added. So that's how you connect Slack to n8n. Hope we helped.